So what's a condex in Massachusetts? Well, folks, there really is no such thing as a condex in Massachusetts. Either a building is a condo or it's not a condo. Now, what determines whether a building is a condo is what's been recorded at the county's registry of deeds. If there's been a master deed, a condo trust, bylaws and rules and regulations recorded at the registry of deeds, then most likely the building is a condominium. Now, when a building is a condominium, there'll be like a mini government inside the building that's created by those documents that were recorded at the registry of deeds. It's called a condominium association. Now, the condominium association is going to be responsible for taking care of the common areas and the common expenses associated with the building and collecting condo fees. Now, you as a condo owner will be responsible to pay monthly condo fees to the condominium association. It's your proportionate share, your interest in the common areas of the condo that you have to pay. And those expenses will be paid through your fees. Dave Ceruolo, ceruololaw.com.